Suppose you are a student of a famous school and your father has been suffering from illness. As a result, he could not give your tuition fee for the current month in time. Now, write an application to your head teacher praying for remission of delay fine. মনে করো, তুমি একটি নামকরা স্কুলের ছাত্র এবং তোমার পিতা রোগে ভুগছেন। ফলে তিনি তোমার চলতি মাসের স্কুলের বেতন ঠিক সময়ে পরিশোধ করতে পারেননি। এখন, বিলম্ব জরিমানা হ্রাসের অনুমতি চেয়ে তোমার প্রধান শিক্ষকের নিকট একটি আবেদনপত্র লেখো। আনস 5 মার্চ 2025। The head teacher, JB High School, Dinajpur. Subject: Application for the remission of delay fine. Sir, I have the honor to state that I am a student of class 6 of your school. I could not pay my tuition fee for the last month February in time because my father was sick, and I beg to add that I have been paying my fees in time since my admission into your school. I, therefore, hope that you would be kind enough to remit me from paying delay fine and permit me to pay the usual tuition fee for the last month and oblige thereby. I remain, Sir, your most obedient pupil, Rifat Sawa. Roll number 5, class 6, JB High School, Dinajpur.